For making cake in pressure cooker, we need all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, oil, baking powder, chopped dry fruits, Tutti Frutti, chopped almonds, vanilla essence, eggs and milk. Take a bowl and add all-purpose flour, baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix well and keep it aside. Take a baking pan and brush oil in it. Once done, place a butter paper at the bottom of the pan which will protect our cake from sticking. In another bowl, take the dry fruits and Tutti Frutti. Add a teaspoon of Maida and coat them nicely. Doing this will ensure that they don't sink to the bottom. Add the powdered sugar in a bowl and mix oil in it. With the help of a whisk, beat it nicely for 2 minutes. Now we will add the eggs one by one and beat it nicely with the sugar and oil mixture. Now add our third and the final egg and beat everything until it becomes fluffy. Now add half of the flour mixture and gently mix everything using cut and fold process. Add the remaining flour mixture and using the same cut and fold process, mix the flour into the cake batter. If the batter becomes too thick, then add 2 tablespoons of milk. We will now add the vanilla essence and mix it well into the cake batter. Now take the prepared cake tin and add half of the batter in it. Add the dry fruits mixture and then add the remaining cake batter on top of it. Add the leftover dry fruits and tap the cake tin few times to remove the air bubbles. Garnish the cake with Tutti Frutti and chopped almonds. Preheat a pressure cooker with salt for around 10 minutes. Add a stand and then place the cake tin in it. Cover the lid of the pressure cooker but don't forget to remove the whistle. Cook the cake for 10 minutes on medium heat and then 35 minutes on low heat. Once done, take off the lid and insert a knife to check whether our cake is cooked or not. If the knife is clean, that means our cake is done. Otherwise, cook the cake for another 5 minutes. Let the cake cool down completely and then using a knife, take off the edges of the cake. Take a plate and flip the cake on top of the plate. Remove the butter paper from the cake. Using another plate, flip the cake once more. Our Tutti Frutti cake in pressure cooker is now ready.